Did you always stitch after you solder like that?
I don't know how much is going to show here.
Uh-huh.
I think it's 0, but just in case, I give him enough so your finish is pretty. But for the most part, we do, yeah.
And that's an acetylene torch?
Yes, B-tank.
And 50-50 solder.
It's either 50-50 or 60-40.
Okay,
Usually the tin level's a little higher, so you get a nicer finish.
I see. What's a little shinier?
Yeah. It holds up for a little bit, but ultimately it'll be brown.
And your name?
Frank Tambolas.
Frank Tambolas from Nicholson and Galloway. Nice. Hey, thanks.
Thank you.